Winter is coming to an end and spring is almost upon us, so you might want to start changing out your wardrobe from your winter wardrobe to your summer wardrobe. And what I like to do at this time of year is take out all of my winter stuff from the wardrobe and fold it neatly, put it into storage boxes, and then move it out so that I can put my summer stuff, spring and summer stuff, in the wardrobe, making everything a lot more accessible. It's also a good time to go through all of your wardrobe and get rid of the things that you don't wear. If you look at something from your winter wardrobe and you think, well, I haven't worn it all year, do you really need it? Anyway, I'm going to show you my 5 favorite folds. You might want to bookmark or save this video because I guarantee you will find at least one of these very useful and will become part of your daily routine. So we're going to start off with jeans. This is how you would fold a pair of jeans for storage, or if you are working in retail, how you would display them on a shelf. So put the legs nice and flat and fold over the top section. Then all you're going to do is fold each leg up to the waistband, take each leg then and tuck it into the top section, hold it in the middle. Simple as that. Nice, neat, stackable, space saving, great way to fold your jeans. The second fold is going to be for your socks. Now, if you are like me and all your life have relied on the simple ruffle and stuff, there's nothing wrong with that. It takes a couple of seconds and it works. It's great for your sock drawer. However, if you want to be very neat, very precise, and as space saving as possible, you're going to want to give the square fold a try. Now, the square fold, we're going to take each sock and fold it straight like that. We're then going to put one as a T shape at the top and the other one as, let's call it, the stalk. You're then going to fold in, wrap all the way around, and then tuck in to finish. And there we have the square fold. Now, that is neat, it is stackable, and it is as space saving as it gets. And also, if your socks, like mine, have a dot on them, so you can pair them up, this has a dot on the front and a dot on the back. Absolutely perfect. Fold number 3 is for your business shirts. Now, your business shirts, you will start off, button it all the way up and fold it over so that it is front side facing the table. You're then going to fold the sleeves in straight across the back. Second one, straight across the back. As you're doing this, just take out any creases that creep in, because obviously you don't want to be folding and storing the garment with creases in it. Then you're going about 2/3 of the way down the shirt, hold it there and move that all the way up to the top, like that. You're then going to take the right third and move it in, and the left third and fold that in. Flip it over, and hey presto, a perfectly folded shirt for storage. Storage or for travel. Works perfectly well if you're packing for travel as well. That's the third one. The fourth one. Now, this one you may have to play back in slow motion because this is very quick. What we're going to do is lay it flat and sideways on. Now, you're going to take your right hand and pinch to the side of the collar, and then move your other hand halfway down the t-shirt and pinch in the middle. We're then going to take the right hand down to the bottom edge, pick it up, give it a shake, shake all the creases out, lay it down, flip it over, and then fold it over in half. Like I said, very quick, that, once you perfect that, you'll be doing that in about 2 or 3 seconds. It is a very, very quick fold. But that's your t-shirts. Now, possibly my favorite one of the lot. This is how to turn your house into a spa for your guests and visitors. So, lay the towel flat, fold it in half lengthways. You are then simply going to take one edge and fold it down, making a pointy end and a square end. We're going to roll up the square end all the way to the pointy end. And then once you get to the end, tuck it in, and it creates this lovely spirally effect. When you leave the towel neatly rolled and spiraled on their bed, welcoming them as though they have just moved in to a luxury retreat. So these are my 5 favorite folds. Don't forget your jeans fold, your shirt fold, your t-shirt fold, your sock fold, and the spa fold for your towel. If you want to see any other folds, napkin folds, pocket square folds, any other sort of fold you want, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to accommodate. But these, my friends, are the most useful folds you will learn this year. Have a great day and I will see you next time. Take care.